Hey traders, Mark here. This is a follow-up of my last review. As you can see here, tons and tons of comments. As you see here, this guy is convinced that it repaints. He pretty much went the same way I did. You don't get refunds from this guy. This won't be very long because it's just a review to say that I feel that maybe my review was a little bit misleading from what I hear from people, but I can only go on what I could find, and I can't. And this guy is very good at not letting you find things about him. Okay, just as a recap, it's Mark here again, doing another review, and this time it's on a guy who sells indicators. It's Forex Pro Tools. Okay. This is hang on, I'm gonna have to stop because I can't get to it. Okay, this is the indicator in question, and as you can see here, he says 100% non-repaying system. Now, if I have subscribers telling me this thing repaints and he's writing it non-repaying, there must be some recourse to you guys getting your money back, and I'll try and investigate what that is. I've listened to this video a dozen times, and he says it quite often and tries to prove that it doesn't repaint, but obviously I'm going to listen to you guys because you guys are the ones who have bought it, and if it repaints, I mean, to be quite honest, I almost bought this myself, even though he's already screwed me once. So, you know, even people who have been conned by this bloke still gets conned, because I just looked at this system and thought it looked like a pretty simple, straightforward, easy thing to follow, and I trusted him that it doesn't repaint. So anyway, we'll just leave it there. My new recommendation is to steer clear of this bloke, to be quite honest, from what I've heard through my subscribers. And down here, lots and lots of different people are asking me about my bloody parrot. He mimics everything, and yeah, we had the smoke detector was needing a battery for about 2 months, and he mimics it, and now he won't shut the hell up. So yeah, anyway, I'm going to leave it there. Best thing to do is to probably learn to trade yourself, and there's plenty of people out there to do that, and my next review is going to be on the top 3 people that I learned from to trade from. They don't ask for money as far as I'm aware, and if they did, I didn't take any of their online courses because what they did in their videos was enough. So I'm going to leave it there. Best thing to stay away from Forex Pro Tools, I think, from the sounds of it. Have a good weekend.